Hey there, welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today we are talking, you're really going to love this if you cheated over Christmas, we are talking keto hot chocolate, and I'm going to do it 3 ways. So let's get started. The best way to do this, because you're going to want hot chocolate once in a while this winter, it's only December, is to make a nice big batch of hot cocoa mix. This is a cup of standard unsweetened cocoa powder. You can use any brand you like. It really doesn't matter that much. I've got 4 teaspoons of instant espresso here. I'm going to just dump that on in there, as well as 4 teaspoons of stevia powder. An eighth of a teaspoon of this powder equals a teaspoon of sugar in sweetness. Use whatever sweetener you like, but you know when you're doing keto drinks and stuff, and actually keto foods, watch out for the different carb values of different sweeteners. Erythritol, for example, has 4 carbs per teaspoon, and that's quite a bit. This has none at all. Okay, mix it up. I'm going to put my lid on my mason jar. I'm going to give this a really good, thorough shake. And then we're going to use this same hot cocoa powder in the 3 recipes that I have for you today. The rest is just as easy. No matter what liquid we use, we're going to pretty much go along with the same method here. I'm going to start with a heaping tablespoon, and you alter that for your taste, of our cocoa powder. And then I'm going to add in our hot liquid, which is boiling or has been simmering anyway. We want it nice and hot, and we're just going to stir it in. I'm going to start off with just a little bit, kind of make a nice paste out of it, a couple of drops at a time. And this will help us make a nice, smooth mixture to drink, one that doesn't have lumps in it. You just want to be patient with it. And by the way, for all the liquids, this is exactly how you're going to proceed. So I'm just going to show you on this first one. Here I'm using hot almond milk. And you can see that's made a really nice little paste there. And I'm going to gradually smooth it out. And actually, after this addition, as you can see, it's starting to really become a homogeneous mixture. Then I'm going to add in the rest of it, give it a good stir. And look at that beautiful, milky appearance it has. Oh, and it smells wonderful. You know what? And on top of the other flavors in there, the sweetener and the coffee, let's just add in a couple of drops of pure vanilla extract to kind of round it off there. And there we go. And there's our first one. This next one starts off with just plain boiling water, but I want you to think of it as kind of a little fat bomb actually, because when we get done here, we're going to add some heavy whipping cream to it, and that's going to add a really smooth mouthfeel to it and help you forget that it's water-based to some extent. And see, we've got a nice smooth mixture down there. We're ready to add the rest. There we go. As always, a drop of vanilla extract really gives this a nice little flavor boost. And then about a tablespoon, or 2 if you want, of heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream has 50 calories per tablespoon, and so you want to kind of consider that when you're working this into your macros. Finally, we're going to make a cup with 6 ounces of really strong black coffee. This is nice fresh coffee I made from Fresh. You could of course use the instant espresso if that's all you have on hand. Use whatever coffee you like. Same method, as you can see. Mix our powder up more or less into a nice smooth paste. And we don't have to be too fancy about it, but we want to get that mixed in there nice. We want this to be nice and smooth. Gradually add in the rest. Oh, that smells wonderful, and I'm splashing it all over my hand, as you can see. A couple of drops of vanilla extract to finish it off. Oh yeah, boy, that smells lovely. I think it's time for a taste test. Well, all right, let's check them out. Let's do a little comparison test here. This is the first one, of course, in the lovely Tim Talks mug. The world listens. This was a Christmas present. I just love this. Anyway, this is the one with almond milk. Ooh, that is smooth and creamy. Has that lovely almond milk flavor with it. Very dark chocolate, very lovely. That's really, really good. And you know what? This has 2 carbs total. 2 carbs, I'm not kidding. And not that many calories. Here's one made with water and a little heavy whipping cream. Oh. I think that's going to surprise you when you try this one. It's creamier than you might think. Yes, can I tell it was made with water? Yes, I can. But this is delicious, and it has only 1 carb. Now, this last one is made with coffee. Also only has 1 carb. Oh, that smells so great. It's kind of a mocha, really. Wow. Now that, wow. Ooh, that is delicious. I'm a big mocha fan. Now, I usually drink my coffee black, and I don't like it sweetened too much or anything. This is a beautiful, this is not too much sweetener at all, and really a delicious mix of chocolate and coffee flavors. That's my favorite right there. I think that's the one I'll be coming back to the most often. So delicious. Listen, before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe. It helps me grow my channel, and it also helps you actually find my videos in your recommendations on YouTube. Thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.